Right. What's up?
Fat Frog, what's going on, guys? It's Mario. We're checking in today. We are showing you an amazing build. Guys, this is a Winnebago. It's over 25 feet. It's big. It's massive. If you dreamt it and we built it, guys. So check this out. I want to show you guys the inside of this Winnebago. It has slide outs. We repurposed them and we turned it into a kitchen. So it's no longer a livable space. This thing now is a full-blown kitchen, guys. It's got its entryway. We reused some of the existing parts that were there, including these steps. Come on in. Check it out. As we're walking in, guys, we redid the entryway. We put 2 heater-proofer cabinets right into our electric steam table. How about that? If you look at the entryway, everything is redone except the cabin area. The cabin area is all still pretty original. All the motor and everything, we didn't touch on that. Everything from here back has been redone. So check it out. Heater proofer box. Another heater proofer box. Here we got our 3-well steam table, so you can plate and go. Concession window. Right now this is still the slide out. So this actually opens up and it opens up. On this side, we got to comply with our state codes, right? 3 compartment sink, your hand wash sink. The total length of this, I think, was 32 feet. So it's got a full-size cooler, full-size freezer, okay? 3 compartment sink, your hand wash sink. You got your breaker box, outlets. Guys, this thing was incredible. A lot of time and attention went into creating this. This thing has a combo range already built into it. It's propane, it's flat griddle, oven. How about that? And then another concession window. Guys, there's another concession window to take care of your clients. How about that? So there's one here, and this part actually slides out as well. That was already part of the trailer, so we just worked on the trim, made it look really good, really clean. More prep area. So this is work area, just so you to set up your food, your orders, your plates. So this is kind of your go. So you got serving size on both sides. Serving over here and serving over there. So how incredible is that, guys? This thing is decked out. This thing is a monster. So big attention to detail from our team. Now, what does something like this cost, guys? This was not cheap. This was not a $30,000 or $40,000 special. This was beyond that, beyond double that. So just know that this was a work that took a lot of time, a lot of attention. We worked with the AC system. There was a lot of back and forth. So just to show you that One Fat Frog, we can do some amazing things that are super custom, super unique. But just know it's a little bit of a steeper price tag. It is incredible, and we can do things like this. Just to show you guys, this thing has 2 heater proofers, full size, 3-well steam table, has a hood system, fire suppression system, 36-inch flat griddle with an oven, your 3 compartment sink, your hand wash sink, full size cooler, full size freezer. And we worked with everything that was already here, including 1 slide out and a 2nd slide out. So when this guy sets up for an event, for a gig, for something special, he's gonna kill it. So we wish him all the best. These guys are gonna go out into the world, and you know, they had a dream of doing a Winnebago, and we did it, guys. So thank you to everybody who worked on this. You guys are incredible. Our team over at production put this out, and they worked really hard to get it done. And now here we are. Thank you. Andrew was one of the team members that worked on this heavy with the owner of the mobile kitchen. But guys, keep us in mind. We're One Fat Frog. It's been a little while since we've said hi to you guys. We're here. We're working really hard. There's incredible growth that's been going on here at One Fat Frog. We have now over 150 employees. We're jumping to production late overnight to keep up with the demand that's incredible over the last, I guess, 24 months. It's just been like this. The need for food trucks in the world and the acceptance of them has been incredible. So Chef Killian, Tony, Andrew, you guys have seen a bunch of our new faces here at One Fat Frog. My name is Mario, and as always, we're thankful that you guys have allowed us to grow to be the #1 country in the world in mobile kitchens.
I'd like to see the outside again.
Oh, you want to see the outside? Yeah, come on. We'll check out the outside.
All right.
So again, this is a Winnebago. This is an RV with slide outs on both sides. Has a side entry, one window here, and another window on the other side. This thing already had some features that were pretty cool, like an awning and stuff. We wanted to salvage as much of that as we could. So there were bits and pieces that we tried to maintain, things that we did all over again. Had a really good AC system, so we kind of reused that again. So just, it depends a lot. This is like a very special piece. It's a unique piece. Our bread and butter is food trucks, food trailers, mobile kitchens, because we know exactly what's going on with the frame. But if the budget allows, absolutely, we can create something like this.
Isaac Summers is giving you some loves. Best sales representative ever.
My dude, thank you, man. Appreciate you, Isaac. If it's Isaac I'm thinking about, he's in Delaware. Wishing you the best, man. Love that plate. His mobile kitchen is going to get wrapped. I think it's one of the next ones in queue, and it's going to get done. So congratulations, man.
All right, what are some of the craziest things we've done? Like the
man.
barbershop?
We did a barber bus. One was pretty cool. We did like a grooming salon. There's things that we've put out that we kind of have kept close to the chest because it was it's a lot of work, guys. Some of these projects, like this one especially, took a lot of man hours. We could have created 3 or 4 trailers in the amount of time that it took to create this. So this is extremely special. It's something that, you know, if you have an idea, you're willing to work with us, and your budget's kind of there, let's talk about it. Let's design it. We'll be happy to. This is an incredible project. 32 feet, and it just took. It was pretty awesome. So wishing you guys all the best. Keep checking in with us. Keep sending us videos, messages. If you've been dreaming about this, if you're thinking about a trailer, if you're looking at something like this, trailers, this is a third of that. Just saying, in cost, right? I mean, they're incredible. They're wider, they're taller. So we're always going to encourage you guys to do a mobile kitchen in a trailer if possible. If you have a truck, bring me a truck. We'll build it out too. Definitely set your appointment. Give us a call. Let us know what you want to do, what kind of food you're going to do, where you're going to operate. We encourage you guys to do so. If you just want to flesh out ideas, give us a call too. We'll talk to you about, you know, what the first steps are for your mobile kitchen. We have a lot of chefs that are kind of over it, right? They're ready to go start their own business, be their own boss. They've been kind of saving for a long time, and they're ready to get their dreams off the ground. We're here to help you do that, guys. My name is Mario, and we're here. We're open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. My cell phone number is in the description of this video. You can reach out to me directly. Say, hey Mario, I saw your video. Tell me more, and then we'll have a conversation. We'll schedule it. We got an amazing team inside. We're all here with the same goal, and that's to help you get operational and get open and get going. So keep on, guys. Wishing you the best. This is Mario with One Fat Frog in Orlando. It's been a little while. Thankful that you guys are all there, checking us out, checking out our videos. A bunch of incredible trailers are coming out over the next few weeks. We have now 2 great guys in the digital media department that are putting these things out. So we are going to see a ton of content this month. So stay tuned. Check us out on Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube. There's hours and hours and hours of content in order to let you get a good idea of what we're doing. Wish you the best, guys. Thank you again. This is Mario. My cell phone is right there, and we'll see you guys real soon.